Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the PRS2 sent to me by Next Level Racing, and we are upgrading from the PRS1. I'm really excited because the PRS2 is inspired by the racing chairs from supercars. They're like bucket seats, very adjustable, you can recline them. It's supposed to be a very comfortable racing seat for long sessions, which is perfect for me. So I cannot wait to get into this, and it looks pretty cool on the website, so I can't wait to see it in person. Let's check it out. Ooh. This looks really good. We've got all the main components here, the back piece, the butt piece. We've got our manual, and then I'm assuming all our screws and things. It looks beautiful. I cannot wait to put this together. The red stitching, so nice and wide. I love this like wine red color. Very cool, very racer. I think that's gonna really suit my vibe. So now I gotta figure out how to assemble it. I think I'm gonna take some photos of my current seat's setup because I'm gonna try my best to match the positioning of that.
Nice background music. Oh, sheesh, okay.
Building the chair actually turned out to be super easy. I don't know why I dread these things. It didn't really take very long. It was very straightforward, so I'm not going to give you a tutorial because I think you can figure it out.
Okay, it's looking really good. I'm super excited. We have, let me show you, put some measurements down. Here are my little Sumiko Gurashi. We got the measuring tape out and stay stiff.
That's what she said.
We're gonna try and measure it up to where my last seat was. Okay, so we're measuring it. We've got from the base of the pedals to the seat, so it needs to come back a little bit. So I just grab this lever, it's super easy. You can see how like easy that is to move, which is so nice. And then I can just start adjusting and getting it perfect. And because this seat reclines, which is a really nice feature, I'm just going to bring it forward to my measurement. So nice and smooth. Perfect. So to do a proper review of this, I need to test her out. So we're gonna turn my computer on and actually do some racing. All right, my first time sitting. This is my fault, I have a lot of tripods in the way. Oh, that's nice. I actually have like a lower back support. So we just discovered something amazing. This little knob right here adjusts your lower lumbar support. I don't know if you can see this like moving. Did you see that? When you move this, it either pushes it more into your back or further away. So you can adjust it and give yourself like the perfect lower back support. I'm in my 30s. That's very exciting news for me.
Alright, it's time for my final review. I have used the PRS2 religiously since filming this. I think it's been about 2 months. I just want to say it does support up to a 40-inch waist. Do I have a 40-inch waist? No, but I really love the room to move around. So I think, you know, if you're a male or have a wider build, you're going to be way more comfortable on this than some of the other options that are out there. And I tend to get a sore lower back and a bit of a sore butt after a long sim racing session in the past. But in the PRS2, I don't get that anymore. I feel like I can spend way more hours in my seat. And overall, I can just move it and adjust it really easily. It's not a big deal. And when my friends sim race, they can move it. I've moved it a lot since filming this to get the positioning even more perfect for me. And I highly recommend this seat. I think it's a worthwhile investment, especially if you're doing more than 2 hours in your sim rig. The PRS2 retails for $499, that's Australian dollars. I think that's a really great price if you're wanting to pick up the chair at all. I do have a link down below. If you use that to buy it, it does help support me. And full disclaimer, Next Level Racing did send me the PRS2 for review, but I genuinely love it so much I don't review anything that I wouldn't use and love myself and spend my own money on. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, comment, leave a like, turn on your notification bell. I think that's all the things, right? And I will catch you guys next time. Bye!